Google Classroom is a wonderful way to host Google Meetings for your entire class. When you need to meet with individual students or pairs of students or really small groups of students, you can still use the Google Classroom link in your classroom. However, if you are in a Google meeting, any of the students in your class could click on that link and join if it's visible to them. This is why many teachers turn off the ability to see the Google Meet link. However, students could have bookmarked it for use. So an easy way around this is if you want to have a secure meeting with an individual student or student and his or her parent or small groups of students for focused instruction, you can use the Google nickname method to create a secure video meeting link. The way you're going to do that is go to your Rubik's Cube, locate Google Meet, and this opens up the Google Meet home page. This is where you are going to be able to go and create a nicknamed meeting. These nickname meetings are suggested to put your teacher first name or last name at the beginning of the name, and then add on the student's name or some other unique identifier so that this meeting code can be very specific and unique to you. So if I were going to create a meeting with students, I would put my first name or last name, and then I would put something about the student or group of students so that I could make it specific to this meeting. I can even add the date if that makes it easier. The more specific you can be in the nickname meeting, the easier it will be to ensure its uniqueness. However, a student is going to need to type in this meeting code if they join the meeting this way. So just something to consider. So if I click continue, I now have this meeting as the name or nickname of my meeting. So when I click continue, it's going to start Google Meet, and you'll notice it gives this name. So what I like to do is I like to be the first one in the meeting. And since you have created this nickname, you are in control of the meeting. So I can click join now. I can copy this joining information and email it to students. When I do that, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. I go over to my email box, I open a new email, and I can paste in this information. So even though I have a unique meeting nickname, the student can still click on this link to join. Or if I want to make it so that the student types in the nickname, I can also have the student type in Garvey and S. Sunshine 712020. I can type that in the email. I can give them the nickname that they can copy and paste into the nickname field, or they can use the joining information. Either one is going to work. So just remember that the only way to create a secure meeting outside of Google Classroom is to use the nickname method. The nickname method is actually best when you're not using Google Classroom and you don't have that as an option, or if you need to have individual meetings or smaller group meetings with students.